Hello. I want to add the ability for the player to take damage and die. So first I'm going to go to the UI folder. We don't have a UI folder. Right click, new folder, call this folder UI_widgets or UI widgets in some way. I want to right click. Our first widget blueprint is going to be a health bar widget. We need a canvas panel. You always need a canvas panel under panel, unless you're using a size box or something. But for most things that are, for a lot of things, you need a canvas panel. We're gonna use a canvas panel. We can use progress bar and text, but I want to contain it so I don't just you can just drag it out here, and they're kind of there. You can kind of size it. I mean, I know I want it kind of down here. And I can kind of put this here, and then I can anchor them so they kind of stay there. But I go for, see, but if you look closer, that's not quite even. And I can't move them around as one. I can control click them and drag them though, so I kind of can move them around as one. Not the worst method, but I want to add, see how they're flowing left to right? I want to add a horizontal box under canvas panel, and I want to put these things in this horizontal box. Let's get the horizontal box, stretch it out to the size we want the health bar widget to be on the screen. I'll just put this in the bottom right of the screen. The text block is on the right hand side of the progress bar. So if you click one of them and tab the arrows, this is too high, it's too tall. Put it like that. Get this text block, I can put it middle, center, and fill. We can get this progress bar, we can fill. This text block, you can also auto. Fill is okay. I just want to see if maybe I can. Oh, okay. Yeah. Progress bar, it's at 0 right now. If you fill it to 1, it will fill with this fill color and opacity. I want to make this green. I want to add a new, this is my new theme. I'll rename it to health bar green. And drag this into it. Okay, I want this text block to say health space colon. So this is our health bar. Horizontal box, anchor it. I'll do bottom right, and you can adjust the sunflower, get it directly over where you want. Compile that. If I go into my HUD, the player HUD, we can use this set, open full blueprint editor. On begin play, which happens when the character comes to life. Actually, I think it might happen when the game mode is created, and this is set as the HUD. Don't quote me on that. Figuring out when things spawn can be difficult. I want to create widget. I type create widget. I want to create the health bar widget. The owning player is player controller. Get player controller under the game. Get the game one. I want to add this to the viewport. I don't need to set show mouse cursor. I need to add this to the viewport. Let's just see what happens now. There's our health bar. Okay. That's adding the health bar UI with no functionality. In the next video, we'll add functionality to the health bar. Thanks a lot.